Hey, what is going on? This is Brian coming to you from the TST Industries garage. Today we're going to be doing a quick installation on this gorgeous Yamaha XSR900. This is a 2016 model, but this will apply to the other year models of this bike. That installation is going to be of this Womet-Tech crash component. This is an engine slider and will be mounted here to this timing cover. This is a very nice component to have in the event that you do go down. It will protect a lot of this case component here and a lot of the other components. It will actually give the motorcycle a point of slide that isn't going to be your rear sets, passenger pegs, or your handlebars for that matter. The installation is really quick, really easy, requires very few tools and very little time, so I'm gonna jump right on into it. We're gonna need a 14mm Allen key. I'm gonna attach that to a ratchet. We're just gonna go ahead and break this cover loose. Once that is loose, we can take it off by hand. Now I do want you to note that mine did come off with the rubber O-ring that is attached to this component here. If that had stayed on this case, we'd actually want to pull that off. The Womet-Tech does include that same size O-ring and will work for this component, so you don't need to reuse that OEM one. Just like that, guys, we're going to take our new component, make sure that we start to hand thread it. We don't want to cross thread this. It is Delrin, so it would cross thread pretty easily if you don't pay close attention. Now that we feel it biting, we could go ahead and turn it in a little bit more. Go ahead until bottom out. And at this point, I'm actually going to switch to my torque wrench. And we're going to torque this down to 10 foot-pounds. Go ahead and get that set right there. So now that our crash component is torqued down, our very last step to complete this process is to actually install the nice aesthetic cap that Womet-Tech includes. Now with this kit, by default, you will get a black anodized cap, and although that does look very nice on a lot of bikes, we thought that the silver accent would be really nice with all the polished aluminum and silver that's already on this bike. So we've gone ahead and opted for the optional color of silver. They do come, like I said, in black, silver, red, and blue. So whatever accent really fits your bike, I think that is what you should go with. We're gonna go ahead and take our cap, place it lightly in there. We wanna make sure that our W is pretty parallel to the ground. I want to make sure that that's evenly in there, and then we're going to go ahead and take a rubber mallet, give it 1 or 2 taps. That should really do the trick. If you really want to, you can put a little bit of silicone in there to really hold it in there. Being that it is close to the engine and some heat, it could eventually work its way out if that Delrin does expand and retract a little bit over some heat cycles. But anyways, guys, that installation took me all of maybe 2 minutes. I think it would take you about the same. This installation is totally complete. This bike is more protected than it would have been had we not had that part on there. It's given us a nice point of slide that isn't, like I said, our pegs, our handlebars, or some really expensive engine components. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you did actually want to pick up one of these crash protectors for yourself, they are available at our website at tstindustries.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.